Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kazzaroo, and I guess you've all heard the news now. Oh my freaking gosh, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. In all my other videos, in case you're new, I have mentioned and said, please, 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 Oden's Eye, please bring back your Christmas palettes. And they are bringing back the Christmas Eve palette and the Christmas Day palette, and they're releasing two more new. I'm having a heart attack. Not really. I'm just so excited. I can't believe they're actually doing it. It's blown my mind. It really has. If you're new, please subscribe. Click the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos and makeup tutorials and makeup news, and I would love for you to join in the Kazzaroo family. Yeah, so I filmed with this palette, this beautiful eye look that if you're interested in picking this one up, I made some notes so I don't get anything wrong or prices. So they are releasing this the 10th of November. Got my notes. So releasing the 10th of November, all of the collection. So you can get this palette, the Christmas Eve palette, the Christmas Day palette, and then the two other palettes which you call Snow Dream and Hey Reindeer. So if you just want to buy one palette, they cost, in dollars, it's $43.90. $43.90. And in English pounds, it is £38.19 for a palette, which I think is really, really reasonably priced. But remember guys, though, I don't know how much shipping will be, though, if you just were to order one palette and then obviously add that to your cart, and then where you're based in the world. Remember, shipping, and depending where you are, shipping will be different. If you get the bundle, so that's everything, you go on the website, you have a look at what you get. I didn't actually check what you all get in the bundle. I don't know if the bundle just includes the palettes or whether you get some lipsticks or whatnot, but I think it's just the palettes. So if it is, the bundle is $149.26, and in pounds it's 129. So £129.84. That's for the bundle. So that's for all the palettes. But like I said, I don't know if that includes any other things like glosses or lipsticks. I think it is just for the palettes. So that'd be then 4 palettes you'll be getting. So the older palettes and then the newer palettes, they're just launching if you want that bundle. But yeah, how exciting. And these are the different times when they'll be launching. So I tried to convert it. I think I've done this right. If I haven't, let me know below. So on the 10th of November, set your alarms, guys, because I reckon they're gonna go quickly. If they don't, I'd be surprised. Especially the older ones. I think a lot of people want to get them. I know that I do. I'm not sure. There's 2 that I'm not sure what to get. I'll tell you in a minute. But anyway, so times. So CET, 3 p.m. In the UK, I think that would be 4 p.m. And then PST, 6 a.m. And in the UK, I think that is 2 p.m. And then EST time, 9 a.m. And yeah, and for us in UK GMT time, I think I converted more of them, and I think it's 1 p.m. But I need to double check the times and when we can actually get it here in the UK. I know else can get it, but they are all the other 3 times. So I'm just going to keep going on their website and checking. Yeah, so the first one is like really early. So so what's that? PST Pacific time? That's 6 a.m. Yeah, but it's on their website. They've got all the different times, and if you go on their website, go right at the bottom, you can subscribe to their website, and they should update you when their palettes go live for you to be able to buy them. I've done that, so yeah, just be alert on the 10th of November. And if you are at work, ask a friend to log on and order the palette for you if you are not able to. And if you really, really want it, then yeah, that's what I would be asking a friend or a family member to do for me. But anyway, it's not life or death, it's just makeup at the end of the day. But if you're really, if you missed out last time, then you gotta want to set an alarm and try your best to get your hands on this one or any of the others if you didn't. I just got my hands on this one, which I absolutely love. Like I said in all my videos, I just can't believe I just can't believe they just come out with, like, I'm like in shock. Yeah, I knew there's something in the pipeline for an indie brand, but I was trying to find out who it was and I couldn't find any info. And then I log on today and then it's like, bam, this is our like Christmas collection. I'm like, what? But also another little things to bear in mind just quickly. So I looked at some different colour stories. I'll put these up in on my page in the comment section. So the Christmas Day palette, I feel the colour story in it looks a little bit like the Christmas Day palette looks similar. The colour story looks sort of samey in the Snow Dream palette. Correct me if you think I'm wrong, but I took a photo of both of them on my phone, and then I had both pictures up side by side, and I was just looking at both of the colour stories because I'm trying to think for myself, which one do I actually want to buy? Do I want to buy the Christmas Day one that I didn't get, or do I want to buy the new one, which is Snow Dream? But both sort of have similar colour story vibes, in my opinion, when I'm looking. But I could be wrong. It's hard to know because I don't have them and I can't swatch them side by side. So I might go and find some other videos of other people on here that have done them. And I encourage you to do the same too if you're not sure what colour story you want to get and which ones would you mostly wear on your eyes. At the moment I'm not sure about Christmas Day and Snow Dream. I do like both of them. And the Hey Reindeer one looks really cool, and you've got some nice pinks in there, and I do like me some pink. So yeah. And like I said, I don't need to get this one because I already have this one, which I'm really happy with. But yeah, so just double check the colours, look at both of them online and look at other reviews to make sure you pick the right colours for you, basically, is what I'm trying to say. On my notes. Right, I think we're good. And now if you are interested in picking up this palette, here she is, she's beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to show you this eye look I just did. I know I look a bit weird because I haven't done this one. But yeah, just so excited. Okay, so for this one, I basically went in the top and a bit of the crease with the shade Nowhere. And then I basically just went in with the shade Wonderful, is the lovely purple shimmery shade. And then in the corner, I just went in with Ice Crystal, which my camera's making it look really grey, but on my eye you can see it looks like it's like a grey blue. It's kind of hard to describe it. Yeah, it's a really unique colour story. If you like your cool tones and your grungy tones and your, you know, dirty, pooey, mustardy colours and your blues and a pops of purple, then you're going to really like this one. And I like all the shades in it. Oh yeah, and then in a corner I put a bit of Snowflake, which is a really nice, beautiful colour. But anyway, enough with my waffling on. Oh, and you are going to, because I got a bit of fallout, not much, but my mistake. But it's my bad. It's not the palette's fault. I should have done, because I did some glitter glue on the inner corner where I put the shimmer shade. But for the purple, I had a little bit of fallout. Not much, nothing crazy. But I should have put some of the glitter glue just to hold down the shimmer a bit better for that wonderful purple shade. But I forgot to do. But to be fair, not too much fallout, really. Yeah, so let's just go for it. So these, yeah, well, you'll see how they blend as we go. So I'm using my brush pad. Just going to move that rubbish out the way. Don't want to see that. Anyway, what do you think? Are you guys surprised? I'm surprised. I'm really happy. So going in the shade Nowhere. Just going to put a little bit on my brush. And starting on the outer bit, I like to put more of the shade. Deepen up really a lot more here on the outside. Move that bit of fringe out the way. And just really swish it in. And because my eyes are quite hooded, I like to take it sort of up a bit more. And just really blend that in. And just follow the eye around. Just follow your eye shape basically. Just go forward and back. But when you're going to put the colour on, make sure you focus most of the shade you just picked up on this bit and then blend it out into the little bit of your eye. Otherwise, if you start here, you're going to have a really dark bit here, which you don't really want. And that's it. So really blending out that outer bit first. And then drag any other colour down. Just like that. And then take any harsh bits away. And run a little bit along the bottom. And that's that. don't need much. And now I'm going to go in with that ice crystal colour, which is like that really almost like cloudy grey bluey shade. And we are just going to put that pretty much all in the middle and even on the inner corner. So I mean, it's like an icy, well yeah, it's ice crystal. The name says it all. It is that. And I've had to hardly blend or do anything, which I love. Boom. Taking it quite far in. You will see when I get closer to the camera in a minute. That is really pretty. Sorry, I've got lots of mirrors happening. To make sure that you can see and that I can see as well at the same time. Okay. There we go. Boom. That is beautiful. Just packing that shade on now. That's that. See? Go closer. Didn't take long at all. Pretty much blended all that out. And now with that beautiful purple shade, just going to dampen my finger with a little bit of wet wipe. You can use setting spray. Actually, no, I'm not. That was my mistake. I'm going to take my glue. This is this Love Shy glitter fixture. I got it from Amazon, but I'll link everything below for you in case you're interested in picking it up. It's a good one. It's not amazing. She is okay. She's a she. Just named her a she. Don't know. And I'm just gonna literally get my finger and just dab it where I want the glue to be. That'll do. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into the shade, which is wonderful. I'm just gonna show you. She's lovely. She is pretty. Camera focus. Not focusing. There's a lovely pink. That wonderful shade. And I'm just gonna dab her on. So that's nice and tacky. And then we're just gonna build her up a bit more. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Scrumdiddlyumptious. Just want to eat it, but don't eat it, guys. We have a bad tummy ache. So pretty. Okay. Okay. That's that lovely shimmery eye. And now I'm going to take Christmas Eve, which is this lovely blue shade. And I'm taking it on my little smudge brush. Which looks like this. And I'm just going to take a little bit and literally just pop it on the corner of my eye. And then any of the excess I'm going to take along the lower lash line. Just to deepen up the bottom of the eye a bit. Literally just a little bit. Not much at all. And then same smudge brush, I'm going to go back in Ice Crystal, the grey bluey Ice Crystal shade. And I'm just going to basically match what we've done here with the blue on the lower lash line. So it just looks a bit more symmetrical below, because I just think it looks nice doing that sometimes. But I'm not going to do the shimmer below matching it. I just want to stay that on top. And that looks really pretty already. A smidge more of the Christmas Eve, that lovely blue. Sort of patting it on, blending it ever so slightly. But enough so you can see it there. Okie dokie. And now I'm going to take a bit more of my lash glue that I should have used before. I'm going to put a little bit on my inner corner. Stab a bit off on my hand. Shut my eye a bit. You do the same, or are you going to get glue in your eye? That'll do. Wait for it to go a little bit tacky. feel like I've done that. It's done that now. I'm gonna go in with to Snowflake, which is this lovely shimmery shade. Looks like it's got different like shades going through too. Dampened my brush a little bit on my wet wipe, and now I'm just gonna literally just dab it. Just shut the eye. I don't want anything to get in my eye when I'm pushing on. And that is just beautiful. Build it up a bit more if we want to. But I think that is enough. Maybe a smidge more. Get carried away with this one. It's so pretty though. Okay. And then I'm just going to finish off mascara and I'll be right back with the complete finished look. Okay, I'm back with the finished look. Here we go. Just going to get closer for you. Just going to look down. You can see that beautiful shimmery shade on the eyes and the blue and in the corner. Hopefully you can all see it on my camera. My lighting's not too bright for you or too dim. Please let me know if you think it is in the comments. Really helpful. But yeah, anyway, I love this look. And whenever I use this palette, I don't get any watery eyes. I don't get any itching. My eyes don't feel sensitive with this palette at all. And hopefully if you do decide to purchase this one or any of the other ones, your eyes will feel good too. Because I know sometimes when you buy eyeshadow palettes, like with me, I do suffer with watery eyes and some certain like allergies. And sometimes when I get a palette, like you've just paid all that money. But just to let you know, mine are fine. But obviously everyone's eyes are different. Just letting you know. But anyway, this is what it looks like. I love it. Again, just love this colour story. I'm so excited for all the new shades to come. But I'm still a bit confused. Like I don't know which one to order. So yeah, have a look. See what you think about the Christmas Day one and the oh, what was it again? Forgotten. The snowman, the snow dream one. Whether you think the colour stories look similar, because yeah, I feel like they do, and I'm not really sure which one to get if I do go to get one of them. But yeah, but they all look lovely, and again, I'm really happy that I got this one. And I think the quality is the same as the other palettes too, I believe, from when I've watched some different people reviewing them. But yeah, so just had to quickly get out this video, share the eye look with this palette if you're interested in picking this one up, because she is a stunner and very, very unique. And if you like your cool shades and your blues and your pops of purple and that, and your shimmery shades, then I don't think you're really going to go wrong with this one if you do decide to pick it up. Okay. Please give my video a big fat juicy thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful in any way, shape or form. And please consider subscribing before you leave. And stay tuned for my next videos. Okay, remember, makeup should be fun, guys. So take it too seriously and take care of yourselves. See you in the next one. Bye.